Are you searching for best trimmer and blower combo in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best trimmer and blower combo on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. WORX WG928 GT 3.0 Grass Turbine 2 Blower Combo Kit. WORX is a very popular brand when it comes to power tools and gardening equipment, as most of its offerings are quite versatile and practical, like the trimmer and blower combo offered here. The WORX WG928 GT 3.0 Trimmer and Blower Combo is a fairly feature-rich option for the price paid. Considering the price paid, it is rated for 20 volts, which is pretty decent for most. For its cutting width, it offers a 12-inch wide trimmer. Coming to its blower, you get a maximum airflow of up to 340 cfm from it, which is pretty good for the price paid. And since WORX is a well-known and reputable brand of garden tools, you also get a 3-year-long warranty with it. Overall, the WORX WG928 GT 3.0 Grass Turbine 2 Blower Combo Kit is a great option for homeowners who want a versatile set of tools that can handle a variety of outdoor tasks. Number 2. Greenworks Cordless String Trimmer and Leaf Blower Combo. This Greenworks trimmer and blower combo is the best performing option in its class, making it an excellent value for money option for many. Because this trimmer and blower combo is rated for 40 volts, it is much more powerful than others. In fact, you also get a cutting width of 12 inches, making it practical for many. Greenworks GMAX40V system offers a wide range of easy-to-use tools for the homeowner, those who just want more power. Lightweight, easier to use, it has a variable speed trigger for power on demand. Designed for ease of use, comfortable operation without the hassle of gas. The 40V axial blower features a variable speed trigger cruise control for optimized control. The 4Ah battery charges within 2 hours. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER POWERCONNECT Sweeper Combo Kit. BLACK+DECKER is one of the most popular brands of power tools, yet one of the most affordable, which makes its trimmer and blower combo a great entry-level option for many. You don't need a whole arsenal of lawn care equipment or a crew of personal landscapers to achieve a neatly groomed outdoor space. Just turn to BLACK+DECKER's 2-in-1 cordless string trimmer plus sweeper combo kit to get the job done. The 10 inches cordless string trimmer/edger manages overgrowth and makes lawn borders look nice and crisp, all while keeping you comfortable in an upright position. When you're finished using one tool, simply insert the battery into the next, or use another battery that's fully charged. This kit includes 2 long-lasting batteries that are also compatible with other tools within the system. Number 4. EGO Power Plus ST1502LB Blower Combo Kit. The EGO Power Plus String Trimmer and Blower Combo Kit are the perfect pair to get all your yard maintenance completed. The 15-inch string trimmer is equipped with the rapid reload head, and the 530 cfm blower has more power than many gas blowers. Both tools are quiet, lightweight, and weather-resistant. Compatible with all EGO 56-volt arc lithium technology to deliver power beyond belief. 5-year warranty. Number 5. WORX Cordless String Trimmer and Blower. WORX also offers superior and more powerful options for those looking for a trimmer and blower combo that delivers great performance with a variety of convenient features. The string trimmer is designed to help you trim and edge your lawn or garden. It features a telescopic shaft that can be adjusted to your preferred height, a 12-inch cutting diameter, and a pivoting head that can be tilted for better maneuverability. The trimmer is powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, which provides plenty of power for most trimming tasks. Overall, the WORX Cordless String Trimmer and Blower is a versatile and convenient tool set that can help you keep your lawn and garden looking neat and tidy. The cordless design makes it easy to use, and the rechargeable batteries provide plenty of power for most gardening tasks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.